name's Jason Scroggins. I work with Star Freightliner out of Montgomery, Alabama, concerning some of the Detroit hard start issues that customers experience periodically. Sometimes we get some vehicles in that the customer is complaining of hard starts after they set it over a weekend on a shutdown. Come to find out, after a period of time interviewing the driver, that the fuel is low in the tank when they park it, and they're also on an incline. It is best for a customer to have at least a quarter of a tank or over in the vehicle before they park it for a long period of time, or a shutdown, or on an incline. For the main reason why is it will suck air and it will lose a slight prime on an incline, especially with low fuel. When they go to crank it again, it's hard start issue, and over a period of time it'll crank up. They bring it to the shop, it's on flat ground, we cannot find a thing wrong with the vehicle. But after several times we interview the driver, and it is because he has low fuel in his fuel tanks. But that is one of the hardest things to diagnose, but in the end, interviewing the driver is the most important thing when you bring in the vehicle in.